In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to set clear pricing so people can enroll with confidence. Start on your Squarespace dashboard and head to Content and Memberships. This is the home for anything your audience signs up for, including your courses. Once you're there, look for the Create button. Click it, and from the options that appear, choose Course. This tells Squarespace you're building a structured learning product, not just a regular page or blog post. You'll be prompted to name your course. Add a clear, memorable title that reflects the outcome your learners can expect. Don't stress about perfection here. You can adjust it later. When you're happy with the title, click Continue. Next, you'll select a template. Templates provide a ready-made outline for your course with sections like Overview, Curriculum, and Lesson Areas. Choose the one that best matches the way you want to teach. Think about how many modules you'll have, whether you want prominent visuals, and how you plan to present lesson content. Remember, you can customize text and media later, so pick the structure that feels right. Click. Continue to let Squarespace generate your course based on that template. Now, open your Pages panel and find your new course. Click the gear icon next to it to open the settings. Here, you can refine the course name, which appears at the top of the course, and the navigation title, which shows up in your site's menus. Keep the course name descriptive and the navigation title short and scannable so visitors can find it quickly. With the basics set, it's time to handle pricing. Open pricing plans for the course and click the pencil icon to edit. Choose between a fixed one-time amount or a subscription. A fixed amount works well for a course with a clear start and finish, while a subscription suits ongoing content, cohorts, or continuous updates. Select the option that fits your model, then enter the amount. Be thoughtful here. Consider the depth of your content, your audience's expectations, and any bonuses like worksheets or community access. If your site supports multiple currencies or regions, make sure your price aligns with your broader commerce settings. When everything looks good, click Save. Saving locks in your pricing and ensures your plan is ready to use. That's the full setup. Create the course, pick a template, fine-tune the course and navigation names, choose your pricing model, set the amount, and save. From here, you can tailor the content inside the template to match your curriculum and get ready to welcome your first students.